Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. How are we all doing? I hope you are doing great. Thank you all for always stopping by to watch this girl, this lady. I appreciate every one of you, all my Facebook lover, all my YouTube lover. I appreciate every one of you. May the good Lord bless you guys all. I bring this good news come. Now good news. Yes, Delta State Governor don start again. Now our brother give one for title regarding Rabba. Yes, Pararan. If you don't get that mock news, now wait till you they do now. If you don't get this, my brother, wait till you they do. You they waste time. It go make you, go laugh. Anytime when they do this video, when they collect video, where they do, I dey always they laugh. My mommy and my daddy, I bring this news come for now. I go one me una endurance. As this lady, e get one part I want to share tears when she talk. You know, when person do good, it's good we praise them. Not all the every time bad. When we see person when do good, at least when we praise those kind people when they do the good. I go like when we hear Delta State Governor, that is Sheriff, waiting he do this woman. Waiting Delta State Governor do this lady. May we hear, may we go there. Want to go.
Before this election, all the politicians, they call it for good guy. So they promise, so anything you tell, they say, I will do just after this election. Some turn ushers, some turn baby saloons, or they do hairs, or they do, not be smarty politicians do, and they watch them. Some turn prayer warrior, carry big flag. Like one go represent Nigeria for Olympic, and they watch all the politicians. So come begin to they promise people, anything you do, don't worry, after the election, I will see you. Everybody call the help there, they do. We not know say our brothers he do this thing here for worry our governor sheriff. This one a sheriff at the talk. This one not be on my sheriff God begin to they promise people say don't worry after I enter you will see I will do things. Now sheriff cause he will tell this woman cause start to the tell. See I will not know only the woman now go turn. All these politicians are beg if you not promise more not the fulfiller. Those of you never watch with this woman talk about our governor.
Good people of Delta State. I say make I thank our SLSU, our governor, sheriff, for wait for the good thing when he do for me, where God use take one for me, take do for me. My name na Evelyn no, I met it na Kotokoto na dey stay. For 4 years now, I dey waka with swollen neck. Everybody rejects me. Even man when me and a day house, he run leave me, drive me. I call the suffer. I dey no food to eat. I dey beg before they eat because the thing they give me sickness. Friends they run leave me. Many people run leave me. Now I come meet Okoloko Papa. Now I go explain to them. Okoloko Papa come tell me say this period na period of election. Make I not worry. The only thing when he go tell me, he say make I just tell my family and my friends. Make them vote for sheriff. If they fit vote for sheriff will win. This case go finish. Now it's okay, no problem. Now I can really carry on. I can talk to my family, my friends then. Oh yeah, mobilize people. We go vote. As we vote back and up, we pray everything. What you go good so God always a sign am. I got sign am. As God got sign am. When I hear say they don't swear them in, I thank God. I say okay, no problem. Now come back again. Now meet to Koloko Papa. I go come be now Koloko Papa. Say no worry. I go take your matter to governor. Governor na man where they stand by word. Say so. I they take your matter. They go meet am. You can't carry the matter. Go meet our SLSU as he present the matter. This say na soft. Na man will get good heart. Now I say no. This woman no fit die with this neck like this. Now I say now because say he go talk to doctor. Now I call doctor immediately. As he call doctor, when the Koloko Papa reach Warri, now call me. Now tell me say they go meet the doctor. So now we can go meet the doctor for Airport Road. Before I see just now they don't do the test, do everything finish. Then they book me for operation. Just now they don't do operation finish. They cut 9. I call day okay. I said okay finish. So when I don't wait, so now I say no. I not go fit leave this matter like this. So but let me go hear this good way. Be say God use our governor take do for me. Everybody must hear am. Now I say make I come, make I call thank am, make everybody wanna help me thank sheriff for good thing wey be say God use that take do for me. Deliver me from death. He deliver me from bondage. He deliver me from hatred. He deliver me from making my only pikin when I get make it not be motherless. Now I say make God bless am. Make I come tell people, make they hear am for the good thing wey be say he do for me. May God bless am. May God bless the family. God go lift am from this level of governor to president, to rule this country because he get good hearts. Now man of good hearts. So may God bless am. Now say make I come talk and make people hear am. Because he use supposing this life when you see so not they bad. Okoloko Papa now I call use. If not, I don't know sheriff. I don't.
Well, I say make I start like that man say how na aproko I go be. If you be politician, they fulfill your promise like the way sheriff do. The woman say no even know sheriff. Okoloko Papa now we know they use that they see money. Okoloko Papa, you go be better. You understand? Forget about Okoloko. Nice promise. As the woman really vote sheriff win, Okoloko just whisper to sheriff. Now him do so. Even the woman husband don't discharge leave her. And even they say na hot you understand spermatozoa na hook for you. Now you na me hook 18 na you understand what I mean? So the woman say make I greet you, push her rib, say make I greet you no woman who you could do it. He said you could never.
My people, I hope now watch that video. Why the reason why I bring her come, God will bless our Excellency Sheriff, our governor, yes, Delta State governor. God will bless you for this, help when you help this lady. Normal, I wish our country, it don't do okay. Those things are small things. But I know say not easy. I don't see something like that when somebody carry somebody go hospital, go counsel, go talk, then about operation, they do am for people. Those are the things, maybe leader, chairman, leader, and woman leader for your area, and they like all those kind people. Mostly you jam the one when you get good heart. When something like this come up, they will carry you go the council solo seat. If maybe they say you no fit do am, then they use am the solo seat. But sometimes the council fit be chairman when they not be person when get human sympathy. If it be say councillor when they not get human sympathy, they no fit do am. But mostly all those chairman leaders, they help village people like that. They always help village people like that. I'm happy for the woman, for the auntie, when she said the sheriff help her do operation. She come outside to appreciate him. Say no be everybody. I know some people go say, hey, wait till they do. No, some people, these little things, they no go do am. As far as they don't enter there, they don't forget their promising. They don't forget what they talk when they that hurt you, they hurt they for leg. They don't forget that, they don't abandon those things. But this man still remember to fulfill the plan when you get for this woman. Me una come, why many of us with the human being, I don't promote myself, I ask myself, why some people person go they sick? We know say that person he see that sickness for, but no be say now she or he just use and take collect the sickness. Oh, this sickness she or he like her, may just dey upon her body. She see her, not be her fault. Now wait till she see for body. It's just like some people go say this person see as they waka, see this person not talk. Oh, see this person, oh, they body shame people. Not be those people fault. Now how God and now wetin they wetin they discover, when they see for their self, when they see for their body, why will they talk do something wey go make people like abroad not feel body shame person, not feel mock person. They go hold you, you go for it. Mostly they just catch you red-handed, you will go for it. You understand? This lady get sickness. Her husband run away from her. Her friend run away from her. Nobody dey associate. I know the country Nigeria where I for come. Wetin this lady talk? If you not be Nigeria, if anybody say na lie, it's not lie. That is how we the Nigeria are. Yes, I will not mention that Africa country. The moment they discover maybe you dey sick, but when you are rich, or maybe when you bring a lot of weight, a lot of money, automatic overnight you just blow. You will have a lot of friends. Overnight, may God not let you find bad sickness or anything. Everybody will run away from you. Nobody is there to help person carry stick, at least stick when you bend, at least help person to stretch am a little. Everybody will run away. If na abroad, they will start encouraging her. Go and look special children, the way they encourage her, the way they encourage them, the way they take care of them, the way they they are there, they are caring, they look after them. But our Africa, oh no, they will start using that thing to mock that person. They will start giving that person name the person don't even know anything about. They will start giving that person name. How can a man who marry woman for house, you will see this lady say, I love you, I do, you do. Then this lady now starts having sickness. You don't even fight. So not to make sure that sickness left that lady. No, you start calavant, you run, leave the lady. I think God now send good Samaritan to her now. I pray may the governor, may they find good job for this lady. Whether na cleaner, whether na cooking, whether na anything, at least for government house or for council, for her area council. I pray that she'll find work. That is how they do those kind of people. They will find job. They will sign out in they retire. Not any governor go come, any government go come when go fit driver. They go sign out till this woman old. She will old and old there. She will retire. This kind lady who know how to appreciate the little things you do for her. This kind lady, we're not supposed to let her go like this. We're supposed to provide work so that her husband, when run away, when be run away soldier, he will find he wait to come back. Then this lady will say, no, as far you can leave me when I'm sick, when I needed you most. Now, no. How can husband run away? Talk of friend. If your husband can run away from you, who will be friend? Friend is just learning. Friend is learning. It's not nice. It's not good. It's not good at all. Run away and leave your wife or sick when your wife needed you most. When your wife needs you by her side, you run and leave her. See, God sent governor to rescue her, to do the oppression. Who do you think, something you think he will buy this lady? God said, no, this thing will not buy this lady. This child will not be motherless. He will have mother. He will have children. Her mother will help her to bath her children. Her mother will hold on her hand. Then God now sent good Samaritan. God will bless you, Governor Sheriff. God will bless you. As you just continue to, as you just start doing these good things, God will not left you out. Me, the Naija daughter from France, Naija-pidgin, all the way from France, I dey pray for you. That seat when you dey, or everything when the citizen, when you make them vote you put for there, you go do am. Nobody go turn your face out of what your citizen want for you. You will do wetin make you go there. You will anything, any money when they assign for you, you go use and do all the work, all the job. And the people when you go there, give the contract to, they go they do the contract, they go they do everything. Your name, nothing stain will not near your name. Anything when you go, any bad spirit when you go enter your mind, say, package this money. You go say, guys, I reject you, use this spirit. Carrot, you will cast it out. The reason why you ask people to vote you in, that thing, God will make it come to pass. Bad thing, bad name. As your name just start with good now, just keep it up like this. Repair road, school, children's school, borehole, in fact, security in your state, everything, they give the tie. No sit down put for one. Oh. As I pray for you now, as you help this our auntie out of debt now, you will not see death. Bad thing will not be your portion. Your children, they are covered. Blessings of God will shine upon you. That seat when you dey, abundance of blessing will come. Thief with other person money, government money will not enter your eye. If government money will enter, you quick closer so that may not choke your eye. You will quick closer, you will remove your eye. Yes, government money will not come, it will not enter your eye. Your own will enter your eye. The one government, tell you to use to do something, you will do it. The one things you promise your citizen, you promise your people, you will do it by the special grace of God. But your name will not near any bad name in the mighty name of Jesus. Because this life, all those our leaders, sometimes some of them get good hearts. But the moment they reach that seat, they start to me go with all those some people when they don't know for anywhere. You now Mugunwa, I know them. You know what I mean? We eat this one. Oh, they will start to the oppressor, or they put lie, or talk about us fine. I don't want to fire. Then the guy will start to change mouth. You start to change mind. May all those kind of people not near you. If they're near you, your shadow will overshadow them. Your shadow will overpress them down. Go those evil people when they will tell you, say, package people money. Those kind of people, except that package money, they your blood. If evil they your blood, so they pray now, that package money, out for Sheriff, our governors, Delta State, out. Then your own shadow will overshadow those people in the package money. Everything when the citizen want, you go do one as a governor. Yes, I want to hear your name. These 4 years, one of the rules, so I want to hear your name for good. Your name go there among of the good governor when you rule Nigeria well. Who did there? If you never subscribe, now what do you wait for? And if you never follow me on my Facebook page, now who they pursue you? Now who they calavante? Share this video. Tell Sheriff, say me, the Naija daughter, I say, may they find work for this lady, whether for council or for any government work. Nobody say, me, I know all those things. That they do one. Please, not let this lady, as she talk and say her husband run away from her. Please, governor, sheriff, please, sir. Please, now beg, I dey beg. May una find work for this lady, for her area, for her council, so that no too dey stressful for her. Now this one I get to talk, drop what you get, what you think about this video, drop it and praise the governor. Yes, when we see something, we'll embrace and we'll thank her, so that person will get more power to do it. Say, I meet you in my next time, who they
to discuss, cause I take win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the I no go feed